Okay, so cleaning the Muxall movement, or the MX3, is really pretty simple. You can just use regular furniture polish. Yeah, try not to put it on the screen. I don't think it would hurt the screen, but it's liable to make it kind of blurry. But yeah, just spray a little bit onto a paper towel. Don't spray it directly on the clock. And then you just kind of, just like you do your desk or your nightstand, or I don't think you'd put this on your kitchen table, but and you could probably use Windex on this, but if you want to, keep that nice shine. This is a high quality ABS plastic, and as you can see, it cleans up real nice, and just kind of, like I said, you don't have to worry too much about getting it on the LCD. I mean, don't soak the LCD. Yeah, just kind of clean it up, and then on the speakers as well. Once again, be real careful, but just kind of go around here and on the speakers, and be real careful about pushing hard. You don't want to damage the speakers. But yeah, you can clean it up. It actually cleans up very nicely, and on the back, and you never want to squirt right in these holes, right? And so even there, I probably got too much in the little holes right there. Yeah, a little bit, it's not going to hurt. The worst thing about getting too much on it is, it'll gunk up and maybe collect dust and look even worse when you're done. Oh, and also I would unplug the clock so you can pick it up and move it around without the power getting disconnected. There. Very nice. And there you go. That looks very nice. Oh, and when you're done, you can even polish your desk. So another thing as well, if you start getting dirt build up around the little buttons right here, and it doesn't wipe off. These buttons fit real tight, so you're not going to get a lot. But just take some regular canned air and just squirt around them. Pretty much the same way you'd clean up your keyboard. And any of the other little cracks that you can't really get in. And that should clean it right up. Okay, so if you want to clean some of the pledge off of, after you got done polishing the movement, Muxall movement, and you want to clean the LCD a little bit, let's say it's got some smudges on it or something, just a damp cloth. I kind of put a little bit too much water on this. But make sure everything's unplugged when you're cleaning it. But you can just kind of rub over it. If you have something really staining it, I've seen, you can go online and Google how to clean LCDs. There's 100 different opinions on doing it. But I think just for general, get the dust off type thing, just use a damp wet paper towel or cloth. If you like spill your soda pop and some splashes up on this drain, That would be the only time I would really pull out the Windex and just squirt the Windex on the cloth and, you know, lightly clean it in spots. And then you might even go over it with another damp cloth just to take some of the alcohol from the Windex off. And there you go, it looks nice and clean now.